everyone, I'm Joss and welcome to In the Kitch.
This is where I share recipes that are easy to follow, full of flavor, and a little adventurous. You'll find everything from a cozy, classic pot roast to grilled pineapple juice, and even mac and cheese ice cream. I get a lot of funny comments for this one, but I swear it tastes good. In my kitchen, there are no limits. I love cooking with fresh ingredients, exploring bold flavors, trying out new techniques, and sprinkling it all with a bit of gourmet flair. It doesn't have to be complicated to be delicious. And yes, I do taste test everything in this very kitchen multiple times. That is my most asked question. My kids even jump in with their own creations for In the Kitch, and they're actually the ones making this video. I've always had a love and curiosity for cooking. I'm gonna tell you a kind of embarrassing story. When I was 4, I wrote in my memory book that I wanted to be both a chef and a unicorn when I grew up. I even used to wish upon a star like it was a legit career path. I stuck to that dream for a few years until reality hit, and I realized that only one of those futures was actually possible. So naturally, I went with unicorn. Obviously, I'm kidding, chef won out in the end, and here I am today doing what I love most. I hope my kitchen experiments inspire you to have fun in your own kitchen and be proud of your next level dishes, no matter your skill level.
What's the funniest kitchen fail that never made it to the blog?
Kitchen fail. I mean, there were many of those. Well, probably me burning myself over and over.
Have you ever salad food just for the photo and not actually eaten it?
Never. Never.
Do you test recipes on friends/family, or are they your unsuspecting guinea pigs?
Sometimes unsuspecting. And sometimes, I test with them, with family.
Cook at home or eat out?
Cook at home, 100%.
Spicy food adventure or mild and safe?
Spicy food. I will try anything spicy to the ultimate max. Okay.
Grocery shopping, fun outing, or necessary evil?
Okay, well, my fun outing is grocery shopping.
What's the most surprising food experience you've had while traveling?
Some people might not like this, but I've eaten kangaroo and I've eaten alligator, and both were very good.
What's a dish that instantly takes you back to your childhood kitchen?
I would say cabbage rolls.
If you could cook dinner for any person, alive or dead, who would it be and what would you make?
Oh man, that's a hard one. Alive or dead? Well, I mean, okay, I love Gordon Ramsay, so I'm gonna pick him. What would I make? Just something weird, just because I want to hear what his opinion is.
What's your favorite cooking utensil?
Probably tongs. Like, I use tongs for everything.
And what's your least favorite?
I'm gonna have to say chopsticks. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I suck at chopsticks. I will never be able to use them, and I get laughed at in sushi restaurants.
Well, thanks for stopping by.
What's a dish that instantly I already said that one. Oh, so
Good one.
That was so stupid. That was good.
Was it or not? Was it like stupid? 3, 2, 1.
Hey, I'm gonna ask Josh my mom some
Start
questions.
all over.